What is your country name?
My country name is India.
What is the capital of India?
New Delhi is the capital of India.
Who is the president of India?
Draupadi Murmu is the president of India.
Who is the prime minister of India?
Narendra Modi is the prime minister of India.
Who is the father of our nation?
Mahatma Gandhi is the father of India.
Who is the first prime minister in India?
Jawaharlal Nehru was the first prime minister of India.
Which is the longest river in India?
Ganga.
What is the name of the India flag?
Tiranga.
How many strips are there in Indian flag?
3.
How many colors are there in our national flag?
4.
What are the colors in our national flag?
Orange, white, green, in Ashoka Chakram, navy blue.
How many spokes there in India Ashoka
24.
Chakra?
There are 24 spots of the Ashoka Chakram.
In our Ashoka Chakra. What is the color of Ashoka Chakra?
Navy blue is the Ashoka Chakram.
Who designed the national flag?
Pingali Venkaiah.
Which is the largest state of India?
Rajasthan.
Which is the smallest state of India?
Goa.
When do you celebrate Independence Day?
August 15th.
Wow, very good. When do you celebrate Republic Day?
January 26th.
Who write our nation anthem? Nation anthem.
Rabindranath Tagore.
Wow, very good. Who write national song?
Banki Chatterjee.
Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
Wow, very good, Juno. Super, Juno.